How to know if you are blocked on WhatsApp. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. First things first, you can simply open the chat with that particular person and check whether you can see their last seen status or online status. And just in case if you were able to see it before and now suddenly you cannot see it, then blocking is one possibility, but privacy settings can also hide this particular information. Also, check for their profile picture. So look at their profile picture, and if their profile picture does not appear or has disappeared, or you can no longer see updates to it, you may have been blocked. However, it still could mean that they have also changed their privacy settings or removed their photo. You can also simply try sending a normal message to that particular person, and if the message stays at one gray check mark and never changes to two checks, then it could indicate that you have been blocked. However, one check mark can also happen if their phone is offline or they don't have an internet connection. Additionally, you can also try making a WhatsApp voice call or a video call, and if the call consistently does not connect, then blocking is another possibility. However, it also could mean that network problems or their phone being offline can cause similar behavior. Next, you can try adding them to a WhatsApp group. So you can simply create a new WhatsApp group and try adding that person. And if WhatsApp prevents you from adding them, then this can be another indication that you have been blocked. Also, it is important to know that there is no guaranteed way to know that someone blocked you. WhatsApp intentionally makes blocking indicators ambiguous because of privacy concerns, and the same signs can occur because of privacy settings, connectivity problems, or an inactive account. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this.